Hello and welcome back to my channel, Sparkly Diamonds. So I've got a bit of a cold at the minute. Right, so welcome back to my channel, Sparkly Diamonds. If you're new here, I appreciate you for joining me today. I hope you liked today's video. Consider subscribing for more diamond painting content. I've just hit my 250 subscribers mark, so it's a massive deal for me. This today is the unboxing of Wonders of Nature. And the Mini Dazzle kits are a set of 6 by Diamond Art Club. Let's get into it. So this, if I can see, so the kit, I've noticed on the back over there, it tells you what each one is. So let's have a look together at what we've got. So as with Mini Dazzles from DAC, every single colour is a fairy dust. It comes with your toolkit, which is your bag, your baggies, your tray, a pen, but everyone does those, so we're not going to go through that. The thank you for your purchase, but with the mini kit there's nothing in them. You have the Facebook group, 20% off your next purchase, so feel free to use that, and the socials. And then Around the World Mini Dazzles. So I want to check something because this doesn't look like the one I ordered. That's weird. So the stickers that I've got don't match. So as you can see they're the stickers that they've given me, and I've got the beach scene, the desert, a nice field, a nice tropical scene, this one which is I want to say a cherry blossom trail, and then this one which is the rainforest canopy. So they've also got a take 10 on the bottom for your next order, so feel free to use that take 10. I'm going to see now if the drills match the canvases rather than the so we have 7, we have 964, 701 and 699. I've just noticed that this has ABs in it, which this shouldn't have. Oh no, so that one says it has ABs in. I'm confused. So 742, 747, 744, an AB there, and 141, 807, 703, 702, 740, 741, 120 AB, 718, 956, 60, 30, 3858, 3765, 601, 154, 890, 915 and 3830. So yes, this canvas has some ABs in it rather than just fairy dust, which I didn't realise that could happen. So it's a learning curve for me as well. But I will be reaching out to Diamond Art Club because the stickers and the numbers for the codes don't match the actual artwork. Right, well, I hope you liked today's video. It's a nice little quick one. I'm loving the sceneries in these. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.